Hey guys, and I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I really appreciate you coming to check out my channel. For all of my old subscribers and viewers, thank you for coming back. Today I'm coming with a wig that I received from a company called WIGENCOUNTERS. They sent me a custom wig and it came very nicely packaged, and it just looks something like this. It's nothing written on the outside, but their packaging is very nice. And I'll just open it so y'all can see. And it just comes with the wig package. I've already opened it and looked at it, but I just put it back so y'all can see. It comes with a card, an information card, and just has just some information, and then the information about the wig. They send some wig caps, which I won't need for this install, but probably another install I'll use it for. They send you a little bag with some goodies, clips and tweezers and stuff in here, and elastic band, which I won't need for this install, and a cute little pink comb. So they sent me a upart wig, and those of y'all that know, anytime, you probably already know, anytime I wear hair and I will wear it more than just for the install of the video, it's gonna be a upart wig. So they sent me a upart wig, and I'll just give you some information on it first. It's Indian virgin hair, natural black, 20 inches. It's 150% density upart wig, and the style is wavy. So I took it out the plastic, and then it just has a protective net over it, and then it comes with this inside. But the hair is very pretty. It is some really nice hair. Lean back so y'all can see. Some really nice hair, cute wavy hair, and it just comes, the upart comes like this, and all you do is just cut those elastic bands, and you can either attach combs there or just sew it down. And then they also have some combs that they customized it with, and on the inside they put 3 combs in, and it also has the elastic band feature in the back so that you can adjust it to fit. It fit my head pretty good, and the cap construction is just very light, so it won't be too hot, because it's still kind of hot here in Dallas, so it won't be too hot on your head. And these are the kind of wigs that I like to wear because they look like a traditional sew-in. So look at that curl, it's really pretty. I'm sure if you just wear it like this, or even if you wet it down, it is just really pretty. So the hair is really soft and it's not tangly. It smells good. Okay, as you guys can see, I've already parted out my part of the hair that I'm gonna leave out, and then I'm just gonna go in and attempt to braid 2 small ankle braids on the side of my leave out, so that I can have something to stitch the wig to. So I'm gonna go in and attempt to braid 2 ankle braids. There, look, I'm gonna start over, but it's not gonna look any better when I do it the second time. My hair is like super soft. It's hard for it to hold anything. If you try to braid it, it just doesn't hold. Like, somebody else can do it, but it still won't even be tight enough to like stay. So I don't know why. My hair is super thick, and it's coarse, so I don't understand why it won't stay. But it's like really soft and stuff at the root, so it's hard for it to stay like braided. But anyway, I'm just trying to braid 2 little ankle braids. As you can see, they don't have to be perfect. You just need something to anchor the wig down to. And then I cannot braid my own hair. I can braid my own hair, but I just didn't want to do all of that today. So what I'm doing is just doing one big old braid in the back, and I just incorporate those 2 smaller braids into this big old braid that I'm putting here. Of course, if you want to do it yourself, or if you want to get it braided down, you can get it braided down correctly. I'm just trying to get it all laid down for the sake of installing this hair. So you know me, I'm not gonna even wear the hair very long, but I just need the hair like back and where I can like lay it down. So I just put my hair in one big braid. Look like that. It's nothing perfect about it, but that's just fine if you want to do it that way or not. So anyway, I'm just pulling the wig on right here, and I'm trying to adjust get those combs adjusted. There's 2 combs on the sides and 1 in the middle, I believe. I don't think I used the 1 in the middle. I just used the 2 on the side to just hold it in place. And there was no combs in the top part by those bands where the leave out is. There was no combs or clips there. So if you want to, you can either sew it down, go in and add your own combs, or when you order this wig, just email the company and request that they add some combs or clips to that area for you. I mean, that's all I can say. But it's pretty easy just to sew it down, or either go in and sew in about 2 or 3 combs or clips in that top part. So that's not a huge job that you have to do. You can just do that pretty easily. But me, I'm just trying to get it installed very quickly, and it only took me a few minutes to do this part, so this is not gonna be like a headache. So I'm just sewing, and I'm doing the lock stitch, the loop and pull, I think that's what it's called. So I'm just doing that, and it's not even perfect. As you can see, I'm just getting it in good enough to hold the hair down. And y'all, this hair is super light. I actually really love Indian hair. This is Indian hair, and it is so light. It is really light, but the wig is not thin looking or anything, but the hair is just like way lighter than any of the Brazilian texture hair. So yeah. And also, this is the water wave style that they have. So anyway, I'm done sewing it, so I'm just gonna cut those 2 little elastic bands off the top part. And I think this is a medium cap size, so it fit my head pretty good. Even if you have a bigger head than mine. Is that? Well, yeah, if your head is a little slightly bigger than mine, then it should still fit. And also, if it's smaller, you can tighten it in the back, or probably request a smaller cap size if you need. But it fit me pretty much perfect. I didn't have to do anything to the back of it, just put the elastic bands on. So anyway, I just went in with some 100% coconut oil, and I'm just putting that on my leave out. And I'm also going to spray some Fantasia heat protectant on my sides, because I'm just going to briefly run the flat iron through them just so that they are straightened out. But of course, these areas are going to be behind my ear, so even if you already got pretty straight hair, or you're going to lay it down with something, you can skip that step. So yeah, I'm just going in with my Conair Nano flat iron, and I'm just straightening out my edges and that little leave out in the front. You can see I'm putting it behind my ear, so if you don't have to flat iron it, you can skip that step. And so yeah, So here I'm just gonna remove the rubber band. I keep getting the rubber band stuck in my hair on every install. Don't do that. Don't get the rubber band stuck in your hair. You can use like a ponytail tie or some clips or something, but mine is alright, but I just keep getting it stuck seems like every install. So anyway, I just went in with a little bit more of the coconut oil and the heat protectant, and I'm just going back in with my contour flat iron and just straightening out the leave out. And just my hair was already pretty straight, so because I did a silk press the week before, so it was already pretty straight. So I'm just kind of going in and just making sure that it's pretty straight enough for this install. So I'm doing a middle part with this install. This thing can be worn on the side or the middle, so it's just up to you how you want to style it. And here I'm just showing how it's versatile. You know, it looks very natural when you put it back. If you leave some hair out in front of the wig, it looks really natural. So anyway, I'm going in. I hate this flat iron. I mean, not flat iron. I hate this pressing comb. I just got this one. I was trying to replace my old little one, but I don't know. I'm gonna go into the beauty supply and buy one more and see if that makes a difference. If not, I'm just gonna keep using my old one because I couldn't find a small one like I used to have. So anyway, I'm just going through and just laying those roots down with the pressing comb. And that one is by Annie. They had another brand. I should have got that one. Also, that one is too thick to press out the roots. You need something that's a little bit smaller. That's like for if you're gonna press the whole head. So I'm gonna go back and try the pressing comb shopping again because that one just did not work. But anyway, my hair was pretty straight anyway, so it was fine. So here I'm just combing out the hair. And although it looks like I'm combing it like it's tangled or something, I'm using a small comb to comb it out so it wasn't tangled. So anyway, I'm just taking my iron crimping iron, I believe that's what it's called. And I'm just going in because the hair is water wave. I'm just gonna blend my hair in with it with this crimping iron or waving iron. This is from Sally's. And it's by the brand Ion. I believe they have a couple other kind too, but this one is like the favorite one of everybody. Everybody likes this one. And it gets super duper hot. You want to stay with the indentation, the ridges on the crimp iron. As you can see right there, I messed it up again, and I'm going to go in and attempt to fix it several more times. So when you see me do it, don't worry about it. I'm just trying to get it straight, fixed out, not straightened, but trying to get the ridges aligned, but that never happened, and you're going to see that in the video. But since this is wavy hair, it blended right on the end, so it didn't even matter. So I'm just repeating the same steps. I'm going to do that all the way around. Okay, so I'm just gonna pin the hair back gently, and I'm gonna use some Shining Jam for my edges. So I'm just gonna lay my edges down, and you can use a Got To Be or just some regular gel if you want to. And if you don't want to use nothing, you don't have to use nothing. If you don't want no baby hairs, or if you don't want it slick, just do whatever you prefer. But I just made me a little baby hairs and some sideburns, and I did that on both sides. I just kind of carved out some little swoops, and I'm clipping it back on the other side now. I'm just gonna go in with my Shining Gem, and I'm just gonna make me some little swoops on both sides. I don't know what I was watching the Amber Geiger trial. What y'all think about that? I don't know, this is crazy. I would hate to be a juror in this trial because it's crazy. But yeah, that's what I was watching, that Amber Geiger trial on TV. But yeah, I'm just gonna make me some little swoops on both sides. And just like I said, if you don't want any baby hair, or even if you don't want your edges laid down, you don't have to use anything. You can just brush it back or comb it back or whatever. And but I just went in and made me some little swoops. And then I'm just kind of finger combing the hair so it can blend in with the waves in the hair. And if you have straight hair, you want to wear some like wavy hair, that waving iron is a good thing to use if you want to blend in some straight hair with some hair that's wavy. So yeah, I'm just going in with my rat tail comb, just kind of smoothing it out, and then I'm just finger combing my hair into the hair. And then here I'm just going to press down my part, make sure it's flat and not lumpy and bumpy, and just getting everything perfect. Putting those little hairs that I keep trying to put behind my ear back behind my ear. So yeah, that's how the back of it looked. And that's a 20-inch, and y'all know I usually wear like 18-inch hair because my back is short. But anyway, that's the finished look. If you're still here, I imagine that you loved the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all of my social media and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. This hair was sent to me by WIGENCOUNTERS, and it is a 20-inch water wave upart wig. Thank you guys for watching.